Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be discussing on how to fix NameDrop not working on iPhone. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Now go ahead and stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now NameDrop is the latest thing that allows you to be able to airdrop something using your iPhone. So all you need to do is to bring two phones together, and then this will use NameDrop for you to be able to quickly send details or phone numbers or images to another iPhone within proximity. Now, one of the main reasons why your NameDrop may not be working is the fact that both phones needs to be updated to the latest iOS 17. Now to check that your phone is on the latest iOS 17, all you need to do is go into settings, and then we're going to click on general right here, and then let's go into software update. Now this will allow you to check which version you are on, and as you can see here, I'm on the iOS 17 already. If this is not the case for you, you should be able to see iOS 17 on the bottom, but do bear in mind that this is only applicable for iPhones that are not older than iPhone XS. If you have iPhone XS or newer, then you're able to upgrade into iOS 17. Now, one thing that you can go ahead and do as well is to make sure that NameDrop is enabled. So let's go back into our main settings right here. And then we're going to go back into general. And then we're going to be looking at this option here called airdrop. Now, you should be able to see this thing called bringing devices together. So you need to make sure that this is toggled on. So this allows you to easily swap numbers with NameDrop, share photos and all of that. So this is the main thing that you are able to do when it comes to using your NameDrop. So how would you actually do that? Well, you need to make sure that when you are using NameDrop, you enable your airdrop. So all we need to do is go right here and then turn on your airdrop, and then you can set it for, to everyone or to contacts only, and then go ahead and bring your phones together for you to be able to NameDrop. And that is pretty much it. You just need to make sure that both of your phones is on the latest version for iOS 17. If one of the phones is using iOS 16, then NameDrop will not work for this. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.